Madam Speaker, unemployment is the single greatest threat to equality, peace and security, social cohesion, social stability and economic growth in South Africa. It continuously receives the highest response rate when South Africans are polled on their greatest concern and South Africa's greatest challenges. Unemployment amongst Black people has more than doubled since 2008, rising from 5 million to 11.1 million over the course of less than 20 years. This means that what is currently being done is simply not working. Everyone except a small elite is getting poorer and poorer. The definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. This highlights the futility of repetitive actions without changes or adaptation. Repetitive actions like overregulation of the labour market through legislation like the Employment Equity Amendment Act and its absurd recently published regulations. Dit bevestig ook dat die ANC se verknogtheid aan sy geuite en gefaalde SEB-beleid en strategie die ganse Suid-Afrikaanse samelewing finaal die afgrond in sal trek, deur ons terug te neem na die dae waar mens eers 'n spreekwoordelike potloodtoets moet slaag om werk te kry. Hoe belaglik was en is dit nie dat die ANC ons terugneem na 'n tyd waar dit wat op jou kop is belangriker is as dit wat in jou kop is. Maar wie nie wil hoor nie, moet voel. Hoor my dus vandag. Suid-Afrika is moeg daarvoor om deur geuite ANC-ideologie geboelie te word. Ons sal dit self stop. Dankie.